A $300 AGM battery at the auto parts counter and a $90 Walmart battery 2 aisles over can come off the exact same production line. Same plates, same casing supplier, sometimes the same manufacturer stamping 2 different labels. We're ranking 7 Everstart batteries worth buying and 3 you should walk past, starting with the one nobody looks at twice. Number 7. Everstart Plus. This sits on the bottom shelf with no premium branding next to it, and that's exactly why it earns a spot here. The Plus is built for a commuter car that starts twice a day and asks for nothing else. No heated seats idling, no aftermarket amp draining it. It runs around 600 cold cranking amps, backed by a 2-year free replacement warranty. And Walmart's auto care centers test and install it for free on compatible vehicles. So the sticker price is close to the total cost, start to finish. A lot of this flooded lineup traces back to East Penn, a Pennsylvania manufacturer that's been building batteries since 1946, and also supplies Napa. Same factory floor, 2 different price tags depending on which logo goes on top. A comparable entry-level battery at a parts counter, similar CCA, similar warranty, typically runs noticeably more before installation is even added. It's not the battery for a truck loaded with electronics. It's the right battery for basically every other car on the road. Number 6. Everstart Max. Same maintenance-free flooded design as the Plus, but with higher CCA and a 3-year warranty instead of 2. Walmart is betting an extra year on this one holding up. It's the common pick for larger sedans, SUVs, and light trucks that need more starting torque on a cold morning, and it typically undercuts a comparable conventional battery at a parts store before anyone mentions install cost. Heavier plates cost more to manufacture. That part is real. Walmart just isn't stacking a brand markup on top of that manufacturing cost the way a parts counter does. Before the next one, here's a 4-point checklist you can run yourself standing in the battery aisle. First, cold cranking amps. Match or beat what your owner's manual specifies, full stop. Second, reserve capacity. How many minutes your car keeps running if the alternator dies mid-drive. Third, battery type. If your car left the factory with AGM, don't downgrade to flooded to save money, and we'll get into exactly why that backfires. Fourth, warranty length, which is the manufacturer telling you in writing how long they expect the thing to last. And above all 4 of those, group size and fitment from your owner's manual beats brand preference every time. Extra CCA means nothing if the battery doesn't physically fit your engine bay. Number 5. Everstart Max Group 65. This is where truck owners start paying attention. Higher CCA for larger gasoline engines that need more current to turn over a bigger displacement, especially once winter oil thickens up and the starter has to work harder. Strong reserve capacity too, for the day your alternator fails and you don't want to be thinking about battery age for the first time in years. Bigger batteries just cost more to build. More lead, more casing, more capacity in the same group size footprint. Exide, one of the manufacturers behind Walmart's larger group sizes, runs plants across multiple countries and ranks among the largest lead-acid battery producers on the planet. This isn't a bargain bin operation cutting corners. If your vehicle doesn't require AGM, there's very little reason to pay AGM pricing just to get a bigger flooded battery with a familiar name on the case. Number 4. Everstart AGM Group 24F. AGM stands for Absorbent Glass Mat. The electrolyte gets sealed into fiberglass matting instead of sitting as loose liquid. No maintenance, and real resistance to vibration and repeated charge cycles, which are the 2 things that quietly kill a flooded battery fast in a car full of electronics. A lot of Walmart's AGM lineup, including this one, traces back to Clarios, one of the largest automotive battery manufacturers in the world. Clarios used to be called Johnson Controls, before Brookfield Business Partners bought the automotive battery division in 2019. Clarios also owns Optima and Varta outright, both of which sit north of $200 at a parts counter, built by the same company selling this Everstart for a fraction of that. The 24F carries a 4-year free replacement warranty, and typically costs meaningfully less than a name-brand AGM built for the same fitment. Worth flagging here, the same manufacturer can build batteries to very different internal specs even within the same chemistry. Plate thickness, lead purity, separator material, and quality control are set by whoever's ordering the battery, not just the factory making it. Chemistry sets the ceiling. It doesn't guarantee any specific battery reaches it. Number 3. Everstart Platinum H6. This one's built for vehicles with start-stop systems. where the engine shuts off at every red light and restarts the second your foot leaves the brake, sometimes dozens of times on one commute. That cycling wears down a weak battery fast, and AGM cycling durability is exactly what a name brand charges the most to solve. The H6 runs around 760 cold cranking amps, roughly 120 minutes of reserve capacity, and a 4-year free replacement warranty. A licensed AGM battery for the same fitment routinely sells for substantially more at a parts counter, built on the same underlying AGM chemistry, even if internal construction differs somewhat between the two. The gap is real, but it's rarely proportional to what you'll actually see on the price tag. If this kind of markup breakdown is useful, that's basically the whole channel. No sponsorships, just following where the money actually goes. Subscribe if you want more of it. Number 2. Everstart Platinum H7/94R. Built for European sedans and crossovers, engineered around heated seats, driver assist cameras, and digital displays running constantly, even pulling a background load with the car parked and locked. This one runs around 800 cold cranking amps minimum and roughly 140 minutes of reserve capacity, with the same 4-year warranty as the H6, and it's priced in line with the H6 rather than in line with the car it's going into. A luxury-badged AGM battery built for this exact fitment often prices itself like the car sitting on the lot above it, not like the component it actually is under the hood. Number 1. Everstart Platinum. Full AGM construction, a 4-year free replacement warranty, and free testing and installation at most auto care centers. This one makes the whole case for the list. If a premium AGM battery is quoting similar cold cranking amps and similar reserve capacity at close to triple the price, it's fair to ask what the extra money is actually buying. Some of that gap is real. Tighter tolerance control, tested cycle life under specific lab conditions, occasionally a longer warranty that's worth something to a risk-averse buyer. This isn't a claim that every premium battery is a scam, but a meaningful share of that price gap is branding, distribution, and retail margin sitting on top of a chemistry this battery already runs, often from one of the same manufacturers building the name brand version down the aisle. Now, 3 ways this list goes wrong. Mistakes that have nothing to do with which battery you pick and everything to do with how you pick it. Mistake 1. Everstart value. Bottom of the lineup, shortest warranty, lowest CCA and reserve capacity in the range. It's fine for an older car with nothing running beyond a radio and headlights. It's a poor match for anything built in the last decade with cameras, sensors, and infotainment, drawing power even with the engine off. Cheap isn't the problem here. The difference in price between the value and the plus is usually small enough that the extra CCA and extra warranty year on the plus are worth paying for on almost any modern car. Mistake 2. Buying the wrong group size. A battery that doesn't physically fit your vehicle is the wrong battery, no matter how good the spec sheet looks. Wrong terminal position, wrong dimensions. None of the other checks on this list matter if this one fails first, because a battery that won't seat properly or reach its cables is a safety problem, not a performance trade-off. Check Walmart's fitment tool or your owner's manual before price, before brand, before anything else. Mistake 3. Downgrading from AGM to flooded. If your car came with AGM from the factory, the entire electrical system was engineered around it. Voltage sensing, deeper discharge tolerance, vibration resistance, a charging profile tuned specifically for sealed AGM cells. A flooded battery wasn't built for that cycling pattern, and it tends to fail early in a car that expects AGM, sometimes within months instead of years. Not because the flooded battery is defective, but because it's being asked to do a job it was never designed for. Dropping to a cheaper flooded battery to save $30 undoes everything the rest of this list gets right. So that's 7 Everstart batteries worth buying, and 3 ways to blow it even with the right badge on the case. If you've run an Everstart battery for a few years, drop how long it lasted and which one you bought. That's more useful to people reading the comments than anything in this video. Subscribe if you want more of these price breakdowns.